Okay, so I'm back with part 2. This is all the art supplies that I've bought over the last 6 months, and part 1, if you haven't seen it, was all the art books and colouring books that I've bought in the last 6 months. So I'll leave a link up above if you want to go back and watch the first video. So I'm going to start with these. I've got these Castle Arts coloured pencils. This is the Seascape one. There's lots of different ones. I haven't tried Castle Arts before, so I thought I would try out one of these smaller sets. I like the tins. There's all these fancy pictures on the tins, and I would actually collect the tins, but a lot of the colours are repeated, which is a shame, and I just don't really fancy getting the large set. I just like the idea of these tins. Yeah, so I might get some more of the sets. Yeah, so that's those. So I'll be looking forward to trying those out sometime. They've been used a little bit because my niece was using them, but I don't think I've actually tried them yet myself. So that's those. And then I also got the Monarch Pencils set of 48. This is a follow on from the Black Widow pencil. So I have got the other ones, so I decided to go ahead and get these, and I still haven't coloured anything with them because I don't know what they're like. I swatched them all out, all the sets together, because I was going to do like a full review video. I found quite a few of them were scratchy. Quite a few of them were really soft and lovely to use and highly pigmented. So they were a bit hit and miss, but like I said, I haven't coloured anything in them and I might end up absolutely loving them. It's hard to tell, just swatching really. You need to actually, you know, use them, don't you? I also got a couple of diamond paintings, which, because I haven't done one yet, I've never tried it, and I know it's a new craze. So this one is, I thought that would be a lovely picture to do. Some houses with some snow on the roofs. And this one was a Christmas one that I was gonna do over Christmas but never got around to doing, so I might save that for next Christmas now, or maybe Christmas in July. And then I also got this accessory kit for diamond painting, so it looks like it's got different. I'm just going to open it anyhow. There's no point showing you it all wrapped up. So I don't know, I won't know what half of this stuff is. So we've got 4 of these kind of pink things. I'm not quite sure what they are. I'm pretty sure that one picks up the diamonds and then you use that to put multiple ones down, because I've seen somebody doing it. And then I've got this, oh, tweezers. That looks like some tweezers. Got these. I'm not sure what they are. And some little trays. I'm putting the diamonds in. Little storage container. This, it's kind of some kind of squares of something, probably some kind of adhesive, and then some of those little sticky sponge pieces, some little stickers with the numbers on, and a little bag to put it all in. That's quite handy. So that's that. We also got these little sets of watercolor paints. So these are the Prima Tech, oh no, Art Philosophy by Prima watercolor confections, and I've got the vintage pastels and the pastel dreams. These are beautiful little paint tins, and they've got like really unusual colours in them. These are obviously like quite muted pastels. So that's those, and you get a little swatch card. And then these are the ones that I've used. So this is the Pastel Dreams, and these are more colourful pastels. As you can see, lovely colours, really nice. They do have a really kind of strange rough surface. I don't think they're artist quality paints, but I mean, it doesn't matter, that, you know, they're a lot of fun. And I mean, look at the colours. When you're buying like natural pigments, you don't really get those colours. I love, obviously, the colour mixes, and they're just such unusual colours. Okay, so that's that. So there's actually loads of these. I think there's 12 in total. Now one of them is like metallics, which I didn't want that set, but I wanted all the others. I decided I would collect them. So I bought the first two, and then my mum didn't know what to get me for Christmas. So I said, well, I'll have the rest of those sets. So yeah, so she got me the rest, the other 9 sets that I wanted. And she put them in this beautiful little gift bag, and she wrapped them all up individually, and it looked so beautiful. So I'll go through these. There's the complexion set, which is, so that one's skin tones. There's the classics, which is just a really good variety of all your basic colours. Terrain, which quite a lot of greens and earthy colours. Then there's Decadent Pies. These are the colours of those. Essence. What's those? So they're all different colours as far as I know. Odyssey. Quite bright colours. Deep, dark, bright colours. Woodlands. So that's obviously would be good for kind of landscape, like all the colours you could need for landscape. Currents. So very much like seascape colours. And then the last one is tropicals, and obviously they're really bright tropical colours, be great for flowers. So that's those. I'm absolutely delighted with them and can't wait to start using them. Just all them really unusual colours that you don't really find in basic sets, because when you buy most basic paint sets, generally have the same colours in. It's nice to have all these pre-mixed colours. I also got this watercolour set, which I haven't actually opened yet. So this is, I think they're called, I'm going to just open it now. Pretty excellent watercolours. I've seen these all over YouTube. Loads of people have got these, and they're really highly recommended. I think they're like kind of a middle price range. They're not like the high-end ones, but they're not like rubbishy kids paints either. They're supposed to be really good. You could get them in a pink tin or a teal, and I went for this lovely kind of teal aqua colour. It's quite a lot of colours. 36 colours. And there's a water brush and a swatch card for swatching them out. Need to get those tried at some point. I got this beautiful pencil case with pumpkins on it. It's absolutely stunning. Now I put my Prismacolor pencils in it. It holds quite a lot of pencils. My Prismas, I've got the 150 set, and there's a few spaces left here, and then these are the Prismacolor very thins, and there's still some space there, so it'll probably fit about, I would guess, about 180 pencils. So I've got 3 in each little band. Maybe you wouldn't be able to do that with a thicker pencil, so you might not get as many. But I don't normally put my pencils in cases, but my Prismacolor pencils were in a Derwent one of the Derwent carryall cases, and I didn't really like it. It was a bit floppy, whereas these are nice and sturdy and a bit easier to access, I think. And then it's got the flap at the front, which is just perfect for me. Prismacolor swatch cards. Okay, next is quite a biggie. I really splashed out on this. I bought this quite a few months ago. So it's the full set of, obviously you can see it's Derwent. The Derwent Life Fast pencils. Yeah. So you can't get the full set in a tin. I would have got the tin. I got these at a pretty good price on Cold Pens, I think. That was the cheapest I could find them. So there's 3 beautiful layers in a gorgeous wooden case, and it smells absolutely completely divine. Yeah, so that's the Derwent Life Fast pencils, which are just really soft and lovely. I've only swatched them, I haven't actually coloured anything yet. And I also got this little set of Koi colouring pens. This was in an art subscription box, palettefull packs, which I didn't actually record the opening of. Yeah, they're quite nice quality felt tips. I got this cute little pen set. You take the lid off. I can get it off. You can use that for water. It's a little watercolour set. And how adorable is this? Look at how bright and lovely the colours are. So it's just a little travel watercolour set, and then you open it out and you've got 2 little mixing areas. It also came with a water brush. Don't know where that's gone, but unfortunately the water brush doesn't fit in the actual whole pack. I don't really use water brushes anyhow, so yes. So then it just folds back up like that. And then this is just a little pack of, it's got a few sheets of watercolour paper in. I just thought that was really cute. You could get different colours, but I decided to go for this kind of limey yellow colour. It looks a lot brighter on camera than it is in real life. But I decided to go for that one because I've already got pink pen sets. I chose the aqua colour in this, just so that they're all different. Then I got some block printing stuff. So I got some paints. I got a set of the basic colours. So there's 3 primaries, a black and a white, and 3 metallics. And I also got some tools. So this is to protect your hand when you're cutting out the stamp. It's like a multifunction kind of 3-in-1. Yeah, it's kind of like a 3-in-1 tool. It does 3 different things. And I've been wanting to try some poster paint, which is apparently more opaque than gouache. So I've got this set of Sakura poster colours. I got this from Amazon Japan. So I've got 12 colours in these cute little jars. So that's the Sakura brand. And then I also got a larger jar of white because you use more white for mixing all the other colours. And I got the Turner ones as well to try. So there's 12 in there. If you see my vlog, you'll have already seen these. But I got these sets of these alpha poster colours as well. So there's 24 in each set, and there's 2 different sets. So I'm going to have a real good play around with those. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you very much for watching.